Number 10. Number 9. Number 8.
People say my family knows a lot about potatoes. They say we've been mashing potatoes since before the dinosaurs. But you know, that's just a stereotype. We know how to mash lots of other stuff. My dad loves guacamole. Mom says applesauce is healthy, but I'm gonna add ice cream to mine. My Aunt Patty loves it when I make my famous sweet potato pie. When you're mashing bananas, my Uncle Sean says you can't have any monkey business. Brownies are my favorite. Making mashed potatoes is easy, and you have the right tools for the job.
Number 7. Number 6.
The Bagel Guillotine is the simple, safe, and quick solution to slicing perfect bagels every time. Slicing bagels is fast and easy. Just place your bagel in the compartment, grip the handle, and push down. The stainless steel blade does the work for you. Serrated edges cut neatly through the bagel, slicing it perfectly. You can place large or small bagels in the compartment. The access slot makes removing them simple. At the same time, your fingers are protected from the blade by an acrylic safety shield. Cleanup is also fast and easy. The Bagel Guillotine can be placed in the top rack of your dishwasher. Best of all, the Bagel Guillotine has an attractive design, so you can leave it out on your counter for everyday use. The Bagel Guillotine is the simple, safe, and quick solution to slicing perfect bagels every time.
Number 5.
At OXO, we make a lot of wonderful kitchen tools, but we think this next one is just great. The OXO Multi Grater can be used on a cutting board, plate, or other flat surface, as well as any size bowl for neat and easy grating. The soft, comfortable handle and non-slip feet make this multi-grater safe and easy to use. 2 stainless steel grating surfaces allow for coarse or fine grating. The multi-grater folds to store neatly and compactly in a drawer. You can also remove the side panels for grating over a bowl or for cleaning. The entire grater is dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. For easier grating of softer cheeses, place them in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes before grating.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.